This biker was crossing an intersection when his friend suddenly got hit by a girl who randomly opened her car door.
Why the f*** you opened the door? You don't see?
The biker was furious and immediately blamed her for it.
It's her fault.
Can I call somebody?
Fucking dumb. Go.
They picked up the bike and then confronted the driver.
Dude, you can't fucking stop here, dude. You're in the middle of a fucking road.
The guy then tried to fix it real quick, but it was too serious for a quick patch up.
What are you doing? Bro, you're in the middle of the fucking road. Look at you. You're supposed to be over there. You're in the middle of the road.
No te entiendo, yo hablo español.